Hey guys, welcome to Hifna's Cookhouse. Today we're making this potato garlic dip within 5 minutes, so let's get into the video. So first I have 4 boiled potatoes and here and some yogurt, 2 garlic cloves, 1 lemon juice and 1/4 cup of oil, any vegetable oil. I'm taking corn oil, you can take sunflower oil too. Now cut the boiled potatoes into 3 pieces and put it into the blender. Now once that's done, you can add the yogurt. Then add the 2 garlic cloves. Then 1 lemon juice. And lastly, add the vegetable oil. Now blend it all together. Once that is done, pour it to a bowl. There is no lumps. Next we'll add the salt, half teaspoon of salt. Now let's keep it in the refrigerator for some time. Now when it's ready, you can serve it. It goes very well with all fried items, so make sure you try it. Hope you liked my video. If you did, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hoping to see you next week. Till then, bye.